In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a brand color palette and theme XML in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a reusable color set that shows up across shapes, text, charts, and even a theme file you can share or edit behind the scenes. First, open the Slide Master. Go to the View tab and choose Slide Master. This is the control room for your entire deck. Anything you set up here, like colors, fonts, and layout elements, propagates to all slides that use these master layouts, so it's the right place to define your brand. Next, access the color settings. While still in Slide Master view, go to Colors and select Customize Colors. You'll see a list that includes text, background options, and accent, 1 through accent 6. These are the slots PowerPoint uses everywhere, so mapping your brand to these correctly is the key to consistency. Now define your brand colors. Replace the text, background entries, and each accent 1/6 with your brand's exact values using RGB or hex codes. Text/background colors typically handle light and dark neutrals you'll use for body copy and slide backgrounds. Accent 1 is the primary brand color most charts and shapes prefer by default, while accents 2 to 6 support secondary and tertiary colors. If you have fewer than 6 accents, repeat or choose subtle variations. Aim for good contrast, especially between text and background, to keep your slides readable. When you're done, give your palette a clear name, something like Brand Palette, then save. This creates a custom color set tied to your presentation. Once saved, your custom colors appear in Shape Fill, Shape Outline, Font Color, and Chart Color galleries. Try applying a shape fill or building a quick chart to confirm your accents show up in the expected order and look balanced. To preserve everything for future projects, save it as a theme. Go to the Design tab, choose Save as Theme. Pick the .mx format and save. This theme file bundles your color palette along with fonts and effects, so you can apply your brand to any new deck in a couple of clicks. If you want to go deeper or distribute settings to a team, you can export the theme's XML. This part is optional. Locate your .hmx file, rename the file extension to .zip, and unzip it. Inside, open theme1.xml to see the color definitions your palette uses. You can reference or edit these definitions to manage your brand programmatically or share them with developers or power users. And that's it. Your brand colors, applied correctly, saved as a theme, and ready for advanced XML use if needed.